Hi everybody, I wanted to come on and share with you a top tip that has served me well in the past for dogs that are afraid of things like fireworks, thunder, loud bangs, pops, whistles, things like that. So, very, very simple. What you do is you go online, you find a sample of the sound that triggers your dog. Once you've got the sound, you put it on very, very, very quietly, like really quietly. I can't stress that enough. So the dog barely even realizes that it's playing. And then over a course of time, dependent on the dog, you customize this to yours. This is custom to your dog. If they relax very quickly and kind of ignore the fact that the sound is playing, then you can gradually increase the volume. Very gradually. Customize it to your dog. And then once the dog is quite happy to have the sort of thunder rumbling on and you know, the whizzes, pops and bangs of fireworks and things like that, then you can start again to increase the volume up further. This should help to sort of desensitize them to these kinds of sounds that happen. Sometimes it can take hours, sometimes it can take days. Sometimes this is a repetitive thing that you have to do every now and again to kind of go, hey, you know what, there's no problem, relax, everything's fine. It's a little thing that you might be able to try. It may or may not work for you. Every dog is different. I go back to that every single time. Don't be afraid to say, hey, you know what, this didn't work for me. It's absolutely fine. There's lots and lots of suggestions out there for things that you can do. This is just one of them. So I just wanted to share that with you. Have a go. Let me know if you try it and it works. Let me know. It would be great to hear from you. Okay, in the meantime, take care, guys.